This is the Golden Pretzel Pass, and this little card is supposed to be sold out. But after spending weeks investigating over 1,200 Auntie Anne's locations across the country, I found out that a shocking number of stores are still secretly selling them. So, if you ever wanted to experience a year's supply of pretzels, then you need to see this. If you're new here, I'm Gary, and for the past decade, I have been obsessed with finding and trying every food pass that I can. Food passes like the Olive Garden Pasta Pass, or what we're talking about today, the Golden Pretzel Pass. So to start, what is it? The Golden Pretzel Pass from Auntie Anne's will get you one salted or cinnamon sugar pretzel per week for 52 weeks. It was originally announced back in April and sold in-store from April 19th through April 26th for only $50. And according to all of their PR and marketing material, the sale window coincided with National Pretzel Day and would strictly end on April 26th. I managed to purchase a pass during this time window and received this card. So, the cool thing about this pass is the 52 weeks of free pretzels starts once you activate it. The only thing though is you must activate it by the end of the year. The card has a code on the back that you'll enter within the Auntie Anne's app to activate your pass. I, like many, assumed the sale was over back in April, but then about 3 months went by and I noticed the stores were still advertising the Golden Pretzel Pass. And not just on a sign they forgot to throw away, but on their video menu boards too. So I tried contacting Auntie Anne's corporate to see if they officially extended the sale of the passes and if there was any other new information regarding it so I can let you guys know. And let me tell you, that Auntie Anne is a tricky one to get a hold of. Several messages across social media and emails were all left unread, until I finally got a reply from the message I sent on their website's contact form. And it was a confusing response. I'm not sure why they're talking about donations. Although confusing, I think the important part to get out of this is that all franchise locations are independently owned and operated, which I take to mean each location will do whatever they want. Some may sell the pass, some may not. So I set out to find out which locations still sold the pass. I figured the easiest way would be to start calling nearby Auntie Anne's and ask. However, most of the numbers rang forever or have been disconnected. And then there was this one.
Welcome to our new upgraded service with more available girls than ever before. More cheating milfs, barely legal teens, submissive Asians, hot females, sexy black girls.
Like, that's the official phone number listed on Auntie Anne's website. So with that, I think I need to investigate these places in person. We're going to be visiting 4 Auntie Anne's across Arizona to ask them the all-important question: are you still selling the Golden Pretzel Pass? So we've just arrived at our first location, so let's head inside and see if we can get the Golden Pretzel Pass. I was curious, are you guys still selling the pretzel passes?
Where's that one?
Oh, okay. That's just the gift cards.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Thanks.
you. Have a good day.
You too. So, first location we went to, they still had signs and the video board advertising the Golden Pretzel Pass, but the employee says that they don't have it and it's just an advertisement for the gift cards. So let's head on over to our next location. We just made it to the next Auntie Anne's and we're at a mall. And we've also got Alyssa here. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, go head on inside. So I was curious, are you guys still selling the Golden Pretzel Pass?
I believe so.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. You guys have a great day.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you.
So that's pretty cool. Sounds like this location is still selling the Golden Pretzel Pass. So if you're in Glendale, Arizona, and you go to the Arrowhead Mall, they still have them. So we're going to go head on over to our next location. We just arrived at our third Auntie Anne's, and we'll go inside and see if they still have the Golden Pretzel Pass. And Alyssa is with me again.
Hi.
Let's head inside. I was curious, are you guys still selling the Golden Pretzel Pass? Okay.
Do you want me to ask?
Just curious. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. So that's pretty cool. That's our second confirmed Auntie Anne's to still be selling the Golden Pretzel Pass. So we've just arrived at our next location. We're at Chandler Mall, and we'll see if this Auntie Anne still sells the Golden Pretzel Pass. Let's head inside. I was curious, are you guys still selling the Golden Pretzel Pass?
Are we still selling the Golden Pretzel Pass? Let me see if I have any left. Let me double check out. Yes.
Okay. I was just curious.
No worries.
Thank you. Yeah, so that was cool. Now, even though that Auntie Anne's wasn't advertising the Golden Pretzel Pass, they still had it.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going. All right, so that's pretty exciting. 3 out of 4 are still confirmed to be selling the Golden Pretzel Pass. But I know what you're thinking. There are over 1,200 locations in the US. What about those? Well, I went back to the phone call strategy for those, and in doing so, I accidentally made the largest known public spreadsheet of US Auntie Anne's locations to ever exist. Like, this doesn't exist anywhere. Spent weeks piecing this thing together. Anyway, I've put a link to this spreadsheet in the description, and you'll have access to view it and see if your local Auntie Anne's is still selling the pass. But here's where I need your help. My wife and I have called over 1,200 stores, and we've managed to find dozens of locations still selling the Golden Pretzel Pass. But we've also gotten a lot of inconclusive answers due to disconnected phone numbers and no answers. So to create the most accurate list of locations still selling the pass, we're going to need your help. Next time you're in an Auntie Anne's, ask them in person if they're still selling the Golden Pretzel Pass. And if you find one that is still selling the pass, or even if they're not, let us know in the comments so we can update the spreadsheet. So is the pass worth it? Well, to answer that, let's check out the Food Pass math. The Golden Pretzel Pass costs $50. So with an average cost of a pretzel at about $6.25 plus tax, the pass pays for itself after 8 weeks. And over the course of a year, you'll be getting over $300 of value for only $50. The pass does only cover the pretzel, so if you want any dipping sauces or drinks, you'll have to pay extra. With that said, I've quite enjoyed the Golden Pretzel Pass so far and would definitely recommend it. By the way, if this video gets over 200 likes, we'll buy an extra pass and give it away to one of our subscribers. So what do you think? Are you going to get a Golden Pretzel Pass?
No rocking up there, okay?
Okay.
Okay.